May sulat po tayo ngayon at ito yung klase ng kwento na maraming tao tahimik na dinadala lang. And this is Dear Kuya Rod. You write, I listen. Sabi po niya, Dear Kuya Rod, I've been in this relationship for 5 years. Hindi siya masamang tao pero hindi na rin siya yung taong kailangan ko. We don't fight, walang cheating, but something feels empty. I feel alone even when we're together. I've tried to communicate, I've tried to understand, I've tried to be patient, pero pagod na ako, Kuya Rod. The problem is, I don't know if I'm giving up too soon or staying too long. Alam po ninyo, ito yung pinakatahimik na heartbreak. Yung walang nagkamali pero may nawala. Walang sigawan pero may lungkot. Walang third party pero parang ikaw na lang ang nandyan. Because here's the truth. Hindi porke hindi ka sinasaktan, mahal ka na. Love is not just about what someone avoids doing. It's about what they choose to give. And if you feel alone inside the relationship, that's not love anymore. That's quiet suffering. Tinatanong mo, am I giving up too soon or staying too long? Listen to me carefully. If you're already tired from trying to be understood, you're not giving up too soon. You've stayed longer than your heart can carry. Kasi partner, ang totoong pagmamahal, hindi mo kailangang ipaglabang mag-isa. Hindi mo kailangang ipaliwanag paulit-ulit. Hindi mo kailangang ipilit na maramdaman. Kung ikaw lang ang gumagalaw, kung ikaw lang ang umaasa, hindi na relasyon yan. Responsibilidad na lang. Nakakatakot umalis, yes. But you know, what's more dangerous? Staying. Staying in a place where you are slowly disappearing. Kung may kwento ka, kung may tanong ka na hindi mo masabi kahit kanino, write to me. You can say anonymous. And this is Dear Kuya Rod.